away they go. Mutiara draws for your lead, smashing success. Is right behind in second, then racing in third. Moonraker down in fourth. Away we go. Then comes number 2, Strong Friend. And Royal Scepter is running at the tail of the field, heading towards the last 600. Mutiara leading the field, then running on the outside, smashing success. Moonraker is racing by the rail, then on the outside. Away we go as they race to the last 450. Mutiara, amazing success, is on the outside as they turn for home. Is smashing success now the leader, followed by entry number 5, Moonraker, and by the rail, Strong Friend. Mutiara, away we go, is smashing success leading the field, then by the rail is Moonraker. Away we go, and finally is smashing success. Moonraker, away we go. Mutiara, then comes number 3, Royal Scepter and Strong Friend.
Okay, crossing the wire.